Alright, here's our big progress. Not a whole lot. But the driveway is in. Sprayed a bunch over here. All that stuff that's cut. Come in. This should be for the right wheels for the RV. Centered. Overlooking the marsh. Power pedestal is going to go right there where that pink pole is. Gotta get buried from that wooden pole to the left of the truck. Move my wood out of the way. Going up to the berm. I need to put markers for the structure on the top of the berm here. And then mark where the septic field is going to be down there.